Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we talked about the Illinois state and we have gone through how to file the monthly sales tax return for Illinois state. Today, we're gonna file another state, which is the Louisiana state. I will walk you through the process of how we can file the monthly sales tax return for the Louisiana state. As you can see on my screen, this is the Louisiana report. The process is same, but before we move to the process and before I start filing the return, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest information pertaining to US sales tax. So move back to the topic. This is my spreadsheet, kind of lengthy because I have to file all these parishes returns as well. So before I move ahead, I just want to make one thing very important, which is very important when we talk about the Louisiana state. So for the Louisiana state, we have to file two returns. The first one is the state return, and both have the separate portals, and the second one is the parish returns. So you can see here I have the pivot table here, and I have the sales amount, taxable sales, city tax, and then parish tax, and I have to file all these parishes separately on their on the parish portal. So this is how we can I think you can prepare your report. The process is still same. I have pull out the counties using the VLOOKUP formula. Same goes for all the way to the tax rate, and then if you see here, I have the parish rate, I have the city rate. All of these are being look up and pull up from this spreadsheet. You can see here I have these rates here. I have the tax rate, which is the total. Then I have the state rate. I have the breakers of the state rate, the parish rate, and the city rate. So first we will file the state sales tax return, and then we'll move to the parish returns. So I'm on the portal now. You can see I'm the portal now. I will click view returns. Now here you can see I have to file the April return. I will click file now. It's asking me, is it a motor vehicle sale? No, it's not a motor vehicle sale, so I'll click no. Now I have to put my sales here, my total sales, the gross sales which I have here are these. So I will put here. I will click next. Then do you have any allowable deductions? So yes, I have the non-taxable sales, I have the deductions, and as I have told you, my deductions, the row that I use, the option that I normally use for the deduction is resale option. That's the best for me. You can choose whatever best suits you. So I'll click okay, sales for resale. Transaction subject to 0%. I normally do this no, I don't have any transaction which is 0% tax. And then I have this now. So this is my total tax, which is 1280. You can see on my screen, and this is the discount. The discount in Louisiana state, the discount is named as vendors compensation. So total amount that I need to pay is 1269. It's asking me, are you a paid preparer? I normally don't fill this form. Change in business status, no. Review and submit. So I'm gonna click now submit. Now it's asking me to input my password here. I will input the password, and once I input the password, the return will be submitted. Then it will give me the option to pay the return, pay the amount, and then I'll make the payment, and the return and the payment will be done. So this is how you can file the state sales tax return for the Louisiana state. And in the next video, we will walk through the process of how we can file the parishes sales tax returns, which you have to file separately each month, and we will walk through that process. So if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions related to this, you can just let me know in the comment box so that our learning process could not be stopped. Thank you very much.